Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. Once again, we're live with you every afternoon, every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real and genuine. This is my real money, all of my real money. If it goes to zero on the stock market, I lose all my money. That's what this journey is all about. From $5,000 up to 50 plus, back down to 35, but we are recovering every day and things are getting better. We've had 3 weeks now of the markets recovering, which is absolutely fantastic. So we're very, very excited about that. If you're over there on TikTok, thank you very much indeed. If you're over there on Twitter, Twitch, LinkedIn, Facebook, wherever you're watching the show this afternoon, welcome to all of you. Thank you very much for tuning in. All right, let's get straight into our shares right now. Here we go. This is where we are now. This is our live position. Looking pretty good today. As you can see, we are up 2%. We've been up every day now for 3 weeks. So looking lot better. All right, let's look on the live position and we'll go through all our stocks this afternoon. That's on the hour. This is on the day. This is on the week. And if we have a look on the month, we are nearly just $600 away. Just 600. I don't dismiss $600 at all, but 1.74, and we'll be up on the month, which would be fantastic. We've not seen that for probably 6 months now. Anyway, we're getting close, so let's have a look at it. My main portfolio, there it is, up 2% today. Let's go through the Vanguard S&P. These are all my stocks, my real positions, and we are up 0.28 right now. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, let us know you're here. Robbie Cooper, how are we? I'm all right, mate, or I'm all right. Thank you for asking. There we go. Who was here before the show? Pickle Picker, Dexter Sickles, I think was first. Mike as well. There in the chat, but right now we've got Robbie Cooper is first in the live show. Let me put his name on the screen. If you're over there on TikTok and you want to be part of our cash giveaways and all the perks and benefits, you need to join us here on youtube.com/The Day Trader 1. The links are in the profile right up here, right in there. Okay. Mike is over there on Twitch. Thank you so much indeed, Mike, for helping out. Keep Twitch running in the background if you can. I'll be here all video. Wonderful stuff, Robbie. Lovely to have you here. Absolutely great. Our show all the way through until 3 p.m. Central Time. 4 p.m. Eastern. All right, Virgin Orbit is also up today, 1.54. Virgin Galactic is trying to break 730. I think Dexter Sickles pointed that out in the chat earlier. I think he's absolutely right, but remember the stock doesn't know what it is. It's not a living, breathing thing. This is merely price action of people buying and selling. The company is the company. The value is the value. This is just the price that the stock is going for. It doesn't reflect at all, in my opinion, on what they're doing there at Virgin Galactic. If it did, this would be up there, up 100% up from where it is today. It's purely price action. Virgin Orbit up 1.54. Tesla is up 3% this afternoon. Rivian is up 1.71. Lucid is up 0.81. Polestar is up 4%. Arrival is up 5.31. Evening, Paul. How are you tonight, mate? Lovely to have you here. Welcome. We're up. Amazon now is down 0.46. Nearly making money on Amazon now. Apple up 0.75. I'm just 3.3% down on it. Remember, I didn't buy the very, very, very lowest dips. I bought on the way down. Very few people do. By the very, very bottom. It's virtually impossible to time the market like that. Robinhood is up 0.44. McDonald's up 0.59. Coca-Cola up 0.56. Johnson & Johnson up 0.32. Google is up 0.62. Microsoft is down 0.29. Meta Platforms down 0.5. SoFi is down 0.65. IonQ is down 0.59. PayPal is down 2%. I'm just down overall 2% now. Rolls-Royce 234 up now. 11% down, still down on it. Walmart, I'm up 0.43, which is nearly 3%. I'm up now. Very nice indeed. Great for dividends. Target is down 0.7. Tesco is up 1.4. Canoe is up 8%. Still out of the money on Canoe, 20% to go. On, I'm up 2.52. Tilray Brands, I'm still 20% out of the money. Got a lot better today, but it's fallen back 4%. Ginkgo is up 0.77. I am actually in the money right now. I will set a stop loss once I get above 5. Enphase Energy, 20%. I'm up now on Enphase Energy. Just been brilliant. Those 2 shares have just been incredible. Just absolutely incredible. Bitcoin SV is up 1.33 overall. I'm down. It's down 2.55 today. Bitcoin is down 1.25, and I'm up 8% on it overall. But a very small position and hardly anything at all in Ethereum. Okay. All right then. Let's have a little look. See who's in now. Evening, Paul. It is Paul. Robbie Cooper's here. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. What's happening this afternoon? Only 7 likes. What's going on? What's going on this afternoon? Smash the like button. Let me know you're here. Subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. That would be great. Give us a thumbs up. We've got 7 likes right now. A bit of a quiet start. Let me check all the cameras are working. Yeah. We're all good around the studio. Welcome everybody on TikTok. We're here every day and we have cash prize giveaways every Friday. You've missed the giveaway this morning, but if you want to be in next Friday's cash giveaway, there is a video you watch. It's just a minute or so long on YouTube and you can be in our free prize draw. We do a free prize draw every single Friday. And if you want to be in that prize draw, there's a video you need to watch. And I will give it to you. You just need to come into YouTube so I can share the link for you. It's from my channel. And on August the 4th, which is Virgin Galactic Earnings, I'm giving away a $100 cash prize. And again, you need to be in youtube.com/thedaytrader1, or you can go into the profile here and the links are there. Caden Youngquist, thanks for the like. Look at that. Caden Youngquist is trying to become famous on my channel right now. We're nearly at 20,000 followers. And he's banging the like button, so I appreciate that very much indeed. Caden, thank you, you're a star. Appreciate it a lot. Pickle Picker is here. Hello, how are you? Lovely. Finally, my cable iPhone, everything in the Greater Toronto area plus Montreal were out. TV still out. Blimmin' hell. Finally, my cable iPhone, everything in the everything's out, according to Bill. In Canada, what's going on? The Russians are invading. That's what you were saying earlier, right? All right, Bill. Hello, everyone, he says. Great to have you here. All right, 7 likes now. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, and smash the like button. There we go. That would be great. And thank you very much indeed. Okay, let's have a quick look along. Let's see who's in Twitch right now. This is a short show today. We'll be all done at the bell, which is in 50 minutes from now. Twitch, who we got over there this afternoon on Twitch? We've got 74 followers now. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you. There's 2 viewers in Twitch right now, so thank you very much for being in Twitch. Appreciate it a lot. Okay. Bet that French Canadian connection is pants. Oh, there you go. The French Canadians. That's Bill. There he is. Thanks, Paul. All right, now then, let me open the broadcast lounge. Broadcast lounge is now open. Let me open it up. So if you want to call in, you can. There you go. It's open now. So if you want to call in and have your say, you missed the giveaway. Yes, you did. You missed the giveaway, and it was won by Uzi Mackie. Uzi Mackie won it, and your name was coming up. You were in the draw, but there's only 7 in today's draw. So, but next Friday, we have another draw, as we do every Friday, and the newsletter comes out on Sunday. You need that, because in the newsletter is also the big one. August the 4th, we have a $100 cash giveaway. A $100 cash giveaway. There is the email newsletter you need to subscribe to in the chat. All right. Email newsletter. Just click on that and you'll be in the draw for every Friday, as long as you get the... How's the back pain? It's a little bit stiff right now. I've been doing stretches and all sorts. But yeah, the cyclobenzaprine has now kicked in. I'm all sort of dizzy. It's difficult to do the show, so this hour is going to be difficult. I could sort of go like that, but as of yet, it hasn't calmed it down yet. As of yet, it hasn't, but hopefully it will soon. All right. Then go take a rest. I will be taking a rest after this, of course. I'm off for the weekend, so we've just got 15 minutes to go. But I will complete the show one way or another, even if I have to lie down on the floor. Still having trouble? Yeah, it's a bit uncomfortable. You know what it's like, Bill. Everyone knows what it's like. Virgin Galactic is up 0.48 right now. I said today we'd have a green day, and we'll have a green day, and I'm sure we'll finish a green day, up 1.76 at the moment. I think we'll also get a bit of a rise into the close as well. I don't think that this will be a sell-off now or anything like that. I think we'll end up pretty much where we are right now. Everything up a little bit like this. It's been a great day. And I'm sure that's where we'll end up. Now, on August the 4th, it's the after-hours earnings, and Rob Brennan, who's sponsoring the $100 cash giveaway, is also going to call in, and we're looking forward to that. He's got some insights and some study done on Virgin Galactic, so he's going to call in and share that information with us. So we are looking forward to getting that information on August the 4th as well. So that's another benefit. That'll be in the after hours earnings on August the 4th. Now, I have already posted that link there on YouTube. It's already there. I just posted it because it's the one of the cash giveaway videos, and I'll bring it up in a second. It's where you'll need to be on August the 4th. There it is. Can you see it? The earnings report there. There it is. Earnings report on August the 4th. Right, Discord. Stock app not available. What stock app not available? Then go. Best thing for the bad back is keep moving, walking. You're absolutely right. Absolutely right. Keep moving. And right now I'm getting a bit drowsy because of the cyclobenzaprine. Anyway, it's starting to kick in now. Over on Discord, we have some information. Where is it? Let's have a look. I don't see any information. Discord. Oh, you're in the broadcast lounge. We've got Paul in the broadcast lounge. Fantastic. So we're going to hear from Paul right now. If you've just tuned in and you're a member, you can actually call in. So we've got Paul on the line, and we're going to bring Paul in right now. Let me have a look, and let's see if he's actually on camera. No, he's not on camera today. He's on just a phone in. So let's welcome him onto the show. So, Paul B, you're live on the Day Trader. How are you?
Very well. How are you?
I'm all right, mate. I'm all right. It's great to have you here. How's the day going over there in England?
It's all right, to be honest. It stopped raining. Apparently next week it's going to start warming up quite a lot, so we're probably going to fry like McDonald's chips.
What's your feelings, and what's the thoughts over where you are with regard to Boris Johnson, no longer Prime Minister?
I think a general election is going to be the only way really to sort it out now, because the people that are going for leadership in the Conservative Party, they're all just rats, because they all sided with Johnson for months, propping him up, and some of the stuff they've been saying, they haven't got a leg to stand on. And the moment a general election comes, if the Conservative Party still exists, I'd be very, very surprised, because I think they're going to get absolutely annihilated.
Well, only time will tell. Paul B, it's lovely to have you on the show. What can we do for you this afternoon, sir?
I just thought I'd phone in, bring some English spirit to the chat, and
nice.
Have a quick natter.
Yeah,
but nothing really specific, really. I'm not really doing an awful lot with I'm into my crypto and stuff like that, but I'm not really doing a great deal, if anything.
No,
it's actually boring me. It's boring me a lot.
Yeah.
So the last sort of 2 days, I've really just been focusing on a couple of NFT projects. Other than that, I haven't bought a single crypto coin for months now.
Yeah.
I haven't done a thing. It's just not worth it, because it's so volatile.
Yeah.
You don't know if you're coming or going.
Yeah.
So my stance is I've just been sat back, and I'm quite happy just to sit back, keep reading things, watch a few things, pick up some tips along the way.
Yeah.
And that's about it, really. There's nothing major.
Yeah, I feel exactly the same. I haven't traded now for quite a while. I've been buying some dips when the opportunities present themselves. I don't know when and if 100% whether the crypto will crash down. I'm ready. I've got some money on standby. Should Bitcoin drop to 10 grand, I will buy it on the way down. Mike did that with Ethereum as well. I'm not buying any more BSV. I've got enough of that. I feel that we're all just enjoying the general stocks up now. I've been up now for 3 weeks in a row, which is really, really great. We're up again today. I'm up 13%, nearly 14% on the week. Just enjoying the recoveries. I mean, what do you think? I mean, you know my thoughts. I believe that we haven't hit bottom overall, but in the high techs, the fintech stocks and all the rest of the stuff that I'm involved in, I think we have. What's your feelings? What's your thoughts on the market?
I don't think we have. I think there's too many problems going on in the world, especially economy-wise. Especially in the UK, it's dire. Inflation's through the roof. The economic growth is rubbish.
Yeah.
People have hardly got any money in their pockets.
No.
I mean, and we're seeing some spikes in the market, and it just doesn't make any sense. And the only thing that springs to my mind, it just feels very trappy. It feels very trappy watching these jumps. It just doesn't make any sense, because you're hearing the Bank of England, the potential of them putting up rates, and not just by a small amount this time. There was talk of them really cranking it up, and I've seen them saying about the I think they call it percentage points in America. Obviously, I'm not a US person, so I don't really know their laws of the land, but they're on about putting their rates up. So then, all I know is for Bitcoin, when these things are going up, it's bad for it.
Yeah.
It will tend to quash it and push it further down. And then the other thing is you've got so many problems in the background, and there's no way these things can continue to climb when there's so many problems in the background.
Well, that's why.
You might get some of your Apple and Google and Microsoft. They'll probably be fine because they're so big. So they could probably absorb a lot of the problems.
They can. They've got money in the bank, and they can absorb, because they are a technology company. They can always find ways of reducing operating costs. They can always make. They're always the most profitable companies because they're technology. They're not people out on the road digging holes in the ground. They're technology, and. But it's why I'm not chasing stock. I'm not suddenly thinking, right, we're in a bull market, everything's going up, keep buying. Because you're right, you would get caught out. You could easily find that suddenly everything drops again, and now you're out of the money, and you could be using margin, and the interest rates are going up. So I'm not chasing the stocks. I'm just not trading. I've been buying the dips when they go really low, and hardly buying anything now. It's a waiting game, and that really is boring. But that's where the real investments get established, because you don't always have to be buying stuff. You don't always have to be trading. Sometimes you just got to have patience and sit it out and wait. But, the one thing about like you say, the interest rates and so on and so forth, the markets are 6 months ahead. We've always talked about that. They know where we are right now and where we're going. So this is a reflection of where the markets will be in 6 months. Everyone knows that interest rates are going up. We've had it several times now in the US, and a lot of these stocks are oversold, and it's a time just to hold your position and sit out for a while. But that's how I'm playing it.
I mean, there's one thing, I've not really got involved in the stock market. It's never really appealed to me. But when crypto came on the scene, it was a chance for the little guy, really, even though it's risky as hell, and it is.
Yeah.
The stock market, it never felt that way. It felt so controlled that no matter what you did, you were never going to break that ceiling. And when crypto came on the scene, it felt like there was an opportunity there for the little guy to get rich.
That's interesting.
But the problem is now, I think that's gone. I think that's gone. If you went back, 5 or 6 years, you could have bought a really turd coin for like, I don't know, a couple of £100, and it had a big spike,
Yeah.
and you really did very well out of that.
Yeah.
But it's hard to find them now because I don't know if you have watched it yet, but I watched that Sailor interview before I tuned into the show yesterday. There's 20,000 crypto coins.
Yeah, that's ridiculous.
20,000. I mean,
That's
when he said
unbelievable.
that, because I know on crypto.com there's about 9,000 listed on the exchange
Wow.
version, not the app, because the app's separate from the exchange. And I was thinking to myself, you don't need no more than 1 to 200 of these.
Yeah.
Why the blooming hell is there 20,000
Yeah.
of them?
Yeah. Well,
I mean, it beggars belief. I mean, you always want competition in whatever sector, but to have 20,000,
yeah.
I mean,
Well, that just to me, what that speaks to me is that people are seeing that there's opportunity to make money out of other people. And I don't mean making money out of the crypto, but making money out of other people because they see everyone's excited about crypto. So, hey, let's make up one. I'll have one. I'll have a day trader Lucas coin or whatever. And that just to me smacks of Ponzi and schemes and scams because it can be that way because people can make up stuff to tell you anything they want. So I do think, and many people have said the same thing, that we need a big crash, a big rinse out. We need, like you say, we don't need. I mean, you've heard me say before. We only need, in my book, two: one to spend, one to keep as an asset. Right? I know you don't agree with me on that. You've just said there should be a couple hundred.
I don't, unfortunately.
No, that's all right. But there certainly shouldn't be 20,000. I mean, that just shows.
God, no. Yeah.
No. So we agree on that.
To list your coin. Sorry, apparently now to list a coin on Binance, for example, which at the moment is the world's biggest exchange, it's $1 million to list the coin now. So they've tried to weed out those stupid projects that don't have any utility, usage, I don't know, benefits to the crypto space. They're doing their own work on the roadmap. They've got a good a good website, a good basis. So there must be like 10 parts that's needed for the coin to be really, really good.
It's funny.
And I can guarantee there's a lot of them that don't even have 2 or 3 of those points.
Yeah. It's funny that you say, though, that you feel that crypto gives the everyman, the regular guy, the opportunity to make money, and the stock market doesn't feel that way. You know what? I feel the opposite because with the stocks that I've got, I am buying a piece of equipment, a rocket, a car, a building, a factory. That feels real to me. And it's real because I could actually buy an iPhone. I can actually use Google. I drink Coke. I own Coke. The things I use Amazon every day. I feel that the everyman on the street can buy a piece of Amazon, for example, uses Amazon every day, or a Coke, whatever, or McDonald's. These are things that everyone can afford. And you can be engaged, and it feels a lot more real to me because I can see and feel and touch Amazon, whereas crypto you can't. So it's funny that you feel that way. I feel more empowered with stocks, but that's why we're all different.
I think my point of view. I mean, a lot of people are the same with crypto, that they do feel that they have a chance, whereas they don't. And I think probably Wall Street is probably the biggest culprit for that because they're not exactly the most cleanest, are they, in the way they operate?
No.
Let's be honest. I don't know how many times the government's been after them and stuff like that. It's probably the same here in the UK with our London exchange. We'll get it in the crypto space, the dodginess that goes on and stuff like that. But I think for the general guy now, it wouldn't surprise me if they were more like, probably got a better chance of doing well in crypto than they have in the stock market. And I think that's probably because crypto's new. Yeah. And one of the stats that came out about crypto is that there's only like 3 to 5% of the world that even holds any. Yeah. So it shows you how far it's got to go, and the potential of the money that's gonna flood into the market. Yeah. It's huge.
Well,
But then it's all going to come down to what you've invested in. It's like you with your stocks. If you've bought some good ones, let's say Matic, XRP, Thronos, even one of the Bitcoins, whichever one survives. Let's say you've got some of those, and then you go 10 years down the line, because most people will operate on that unless they day trade.
Yeah.
And all this money pours in, then I think you're going to be in a pretty good position.
Yeah. No, I take your point. Robert Cooper just reiterated what I was just saying about patience, and it's a Warren Buffett quote. I didn't know that, but it's what I feel. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient, and that's absolutely right. I believe in that sentiment completely. But one thing that I was saying the other day, I made a video on it, and I'd like your thoughts on it. With Bitcoin right now, let's just pick Bitcoin, BTC. Right now, it's hovering around the 21. I've got it on the screen right now. Let me just refresh the screen a minute. We've just lost the screen. There we go. Let's bring it back. With Bitcoin right now, it's on 21.7 at the moment, and it's been bouncing around the 2021. And everyone's going, oh, it could go down to 10 or 8. I'm saying it myself, or, whatever. But very few people will tell you they think it's going to go up to 40 in the next week or days or whatever. Now, that would be 100% increase immediately if it went to 40%, right? And like I said, what's more likely to happen, Bitcoin to go to 100% up in the next week, or just take, for example, SPCE. We've got it on the screen right now, and you can see here, I don't know if you can see this or not, but everyone can see, every time it tests flights, everyone gets excited and they buy in, and it goes up like 400, 500%. It hits 70. So right now we're on 726. We were like around about the 595 a couple of days ago, and all that happened was they've done a deal with Boeing. That's it, and it shot up 20% or so. It wouldn't take hardly anything at all. It would take a simple tweet from Richard Branson to say our first customer, and we know Elon Musk has bought a ticket, our first customer's flying next month or whatever. I would bet my house on it that it would go up at least 100%, because 100% would only be $12, right? So what do you think's more likely to go up 100%, Virgin Galactic or Bitcoin?
You see, I tend to would say you're probably your Virgin Galactic just purely because of the state of the market, but crypto has a really nasty habit of jumping very, very fast.
Yeah.
Within the click of a finger.
Yeah.
And you've got to remember where Bitcoin's come from. It was nearly $70,000, pounds, whichever way you want to swing it.
Yeah.
Not 3-4 months ago.
No.
And it's still 20 odd grand. It's still worth a heck of a lot of money.
Oh, hang on. Let me.
Doesn't really do a lot of much.
Yeah, let me jump in there, because you basically emphasise a sentiment that I've been talking about a lot. The way your tone changed when you said it's 20 grand, right? Like, it's a number, right? And it is. It's a great number. Yeah. Right, but that's what my issue is right there. People are really excited when they look at the screen and they go, Bitcoin's $21,000. Look at Virgin Galactic's rubbish. It's a junk stock. It's $7.24. It's not about the price of the stock. It's about the percentage. And if Virgin goes from 7 to 14, it's 100%. Whether I put $1 or $1 million, I've still got the same profit as Bitcoin going from 20 to 40,000. It just sounds rock and roll and sexy, but who cares? It's not. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, I mean, the thing is though, when you compare it though, Bitcoin's market cap is a lot higher than space, isn't it?
Well, of course it is.
Bitcoin is worth.
Of course it is.
It's worth.
Of course it is.
It's worth a lot.
Yeah.
So, but
of course,
I see where you're saying it. I get what you're saying. That right now, if one was to jump 100%, which is more likely, I think people are understanding that. But also at the same time, when you go get the other argument, is Bitcoin could go a lot higher than that very quickly.
I agree.
So if you were in that bull market phase, for example, because we're not, Bitcoin runs stupidly quick.
Yeah, I agree.
I don't think your stock would keep pace with that. And don't forget, like I said before, there's only like 3 to 5% invested in crypto. So what happens when that's 15 to 20%?
No, I get it.
These prices on some of these top coins, they're gonna absolutely skyrocket.
No, I get it.
And I don't think the stock market will have that kind of power or investment behind it.
Yeah, but the thing is, though...
But I'm not saying the bad stocks, though. I'm not saying the bad stocks.
No, but the thing is, though...
Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the bad.
No, but the thing is, though, if I say, let's say, for example, I went from 6 to 12, made 100%, and I got my 100% and I sold out. I've doubled my money, way better than Bitcoin right now. Okay, I get it. Then what I would do is I would move that money. If I was at that position in my portfolio, which I'm not, I'm still in the growth stage, but in 5 years from now, I will start moving into dividend stocks. I will receive 20%. There are stocks I can buy which give me 20% a year, dividend payments with no risk whatsoever, and give me a very nice, very, very nice income for the rest of my life. So it's not just I've made 100%, it's now what do I do with that? And remember, as much as you can be as bullish as you like and love Bitcoin and understand the ins and outs of everything, but let's always respect the money. $21,000 buys you a string of code. Now that code, you can put any value on it you like. It's a few numbers on a screen, lots of zeros and ones, or lots of binary code, whatever. Whereas if I buy Tesla or anything, I own cars, factories, people, machinery, and so on. So let's not lose the sight of when we go, oh, Bitcoin's only 21,000. 21,000 used to buy a house 30 years ago, and you buy a string of code.
Yeah, I know, I remember.
Yeah, I know. My first house was 13 grand when I was a kid.
I mean, I was like 9, 10, and I think my mum and dad bought a house for like 20 odd thousand.
I know, it's amazing.
Now like nearly 200.
Amazing.
And you're like, where'd you get those maths from? But
exactly.
I get what you're saying about the code, and I don't personally invest in Bitcoin because the idiots put me off, and I just can't. I'm too stubborn and too long in the tooth for that rubbish. I'm not off. It doesn't bother me. But there's going to be pros and cons for stocks. There's going to be pros and cons for crypto. The one thing I would say about the crypto more than anything is even though it's been around now for 14 years, is it? Something like that. We're still extremely early because there's not that many people invested in it.
Yeah. Paul B.
And whether Bitcoin goes down from 20 grand to 10 grand, the highly likely is that Bitcoin at some point in the near future, even though people will say, oh, it's not going to, it will break its all-time high because it's just the market leader and it will just rocket off again.
Yeah. Paul B, we'll continue this another day, but on balance, we need to move on with everything else that we do on the show. Paul B, it's great to have you calling in. Appreciate it very much. Thanks, mate.
You're welcome. No worries. Catch you in a bit.
Cheers, mate. Always great to have Paul B on the phone. There you go. That's Paul B's feelings and thoughts right now on crypto. So very interesting. As you can see, me and Paul got slightly different ideas of where we should put our money, but that's what Paul B is thinking right now. And I respect everything he just said. All right. Brilliant. Okay, now then, we've got a big ask right now because everyone's got extremely lazy. Because we've been talking away, we haven't done the usual stuff. Everyone smash the like button and hit the subscribe, ring the bell. We've got 20 watching and only 7 likes. What is going on? Smash the like button, guys. Let us know you're here. That's the first thing you got to do. So here we go. Here's Mr. Mini-Me coming up on the screen. Let's give you a 1 minute on the clock. Oh, that's a different angle. We don't often show that angle, do we? Oh, I know why. My phone's not plugged in. There we go. Let's change that, Ren. Hang on a minute. Let me plug that in. I don't know how I missed that, but my phone's not plugged in. Plugged in. You know what I mean. There we go. Let's bring it up. There you go. There's the stocks. There you go. All right. Smash the like button. Let me know you're here. Let's put Mr. Mini-Me up on the screen and let's do it. Here he comes. Smash the like button. You're getting way too lazy this afternoon. You're enjoying the dulcet tones of our caller, Mr. Paul B, over there from North Korea. He would have you believe, but of course we know that's not quite the facts. Anyway, let us know. Smash the like button. Put a minute on the clock. Here we go, and I'll be right back after this quick commercial break. We want to see 20 likes when we come back in 30 seconds from now. Here comes the first commercial this afternoon. Here we go. I'll smash the like button after you read my comments. I will. I'll scroll right up now. Okay. Chiggy 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 you ba ba oopie oodie diddly bom bom. Alright, let's bring in the comments right now. How do you know I'm not from Pyongyang? Well, I don't know. I think the accent might give it away a bit. I don't know. I mean, you know, could well be. Could well be. We don't know, do we? Not really. Not really. So anyway, I'm just making a guess. I'm just making a guess. All right, let's have a little chat. We got what's going on with the likes today? Is no one's like button working? I'll smash the like button after you read my comments. So I've got to read some comments here a minute. Let's have a little look. That code is much more valuable than space. Well, that's what Ali Tisro says. Well, only time will tell what they do with that code. You know, what do you do with the code? You own a piece. You own a piece of code, and you hope someone will buy it off you. But who knows what that code says or does or means? What does it really mean? The average person, remember, the average person isn't even buying crypto yet. Like Paul B said, the majority of the world don't even own it. But if the average man decided to own it, what does that code do? I bet you nobody in the world no regular person would be able to tell you. Someone who's not in crypto right now, your mum, your dad, your gran, your brother, your sister, someone who's not in crypto right now, if you convince them to buy crypto and said, you own a Bitcoin, you own a string of code, they'd go, do I? What does it do? That's a reality, and I would question anyone to say to me that isn't the case. Less than 500,000 people have one Bitcoin. Less than 500,000 people have one Bitcoin. We are so early to Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Matrix. Have much better chance of making you so much more money. That's what Ali believes. 1% invested in crypto. It's incredible, isn't it? I can now officially say I own 5 shares of Tesla. Very happy. 685 average. Robbie Cooper, that is a good average. Let's have a little look at Tesla right now. So there we go. I think I read the comments. Oh, it is on the one. Space as a market cap of 1 billion Bitcoin. 1 billion. Bitcoin as a market cap of 400 billion. Well, we can put numbers on stuff all day long. But a real life millionaire is going to book a ticket and pay to fly on Virgin Galactic. Is that same person going to buy some Bitcoin? Well, time will tell. 5 years from now, we'll all be sitting here going, told you so. Somebody will. And we'll see who was right. Okay. I'll smash the like button after you read my likes. I did that. Paul B, I'd encourage you to watch. Yes, I'm going to. I've got it. Going to watch it over the weekend. I'm very interested in it. I put in the Discord yesterday. It was filmed with the Altcoin Daily channel, which was filmed a few days ago. Yes, you made sure that we all realised, because I asked that question, is it genuine and real and all the rest of it? Because there is so much of it which is nonsense. So thank you for that. I will read it. All right. No idea why we've only got 8 likes. I wonder if it's an error on my end. I'm going to refresh my screen because I've never had 8 likes before. It seems a bit weird. Right, okay, let's go back into our stocks right now. We're up again today. We've made $459 today, up 1.31. Let's go through. Vanguard S&P is up 0.02. Virgin Galactic is up 0.28. Looking good. Virgin Orbit is falling back again. Every time it does, I pick up some more. And I've got a buy placed for 325. It's very volatile. I could be trading it, but I'd rather just keep lowering my averages and buying more as it dips. That's the plan right now. Okay, for those of you who don't know, we have our weekly newsletter coming out on Sunday for the new cash prize giveaway for next Friday. Also, it contains the link for the $100 cash giveaway for August the 4th. August the 4th, we're doing the earnings report. Here it is, August the 4th, after hours, we're doing that. And we have $100 to give away as sponsored by Rob Brennan. and the newsletter will include that link as well. So if you want to be in our cash prize draws now, you have to get the newsletter. So there it is. It's in the chat right now. There it is. And when you click on it, this is what you'll see. And you have to verify the email. Sadly, there are 12 of you that have clicked it that have not yet searched for the email I told you to search for, and you won't receive the newsletter, and you won't have a chance of winning for prize every Friday, and also won't have a chance of winning the $100 on the 4th of August. A lot less people do it because it takes a little bit more effort, which is great because it really does support our main supporters. There you go. 2 newsletters to choose from. This is the Day Trader. This is the Martyn Lucas one, music. Put your email there and check your email inbox, all right? And the email you're looking for to verify is thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. It's in the About section of this video, of the channel, of course, and there it is in the chat, should you wish to look for it. I'll tell you now, there are 79 people who've signed up, and only 65 have verified their account. 79 and 65. So there you go. 79 and 65. All right. I'm just checking now if it's changed. 79 and 65. Let's have a little look. Let's see if it's gone up at all. 79 and 65. Let me have a look. 79 and 65. Yeah, it's still the same. Still the same. Look, I can share with you. See? The Day Trader newsletter. 79 and 65. So some of you won't be in it. You've not verified the email as suggested. All right, Paddy and Alicia. Hi, Alicia and Paddy. Right, going to bounce. Have a great weekend, folks. Bye-bye. Paul B, have a wonderful evening. Thank you so much indeed. Look forward to seeing you next week. Enjoy your weekend off. All right, we've got just 20 minutes to go before the bell goes. SPCE now is going up again as it approaches the after hours. I'm not surprised. There goes Virgin Orbit. It's coming back up again, and so does Tesla. It's going back up again. Right now, in the last dying minutes of the week, we're getting everything go back up again. Lucid's going back up again. Polestar's trading sideways right now. Amazon Arrival, is up as well, heading towards at $2. Amazon is down 0.74. Apple is up now 0.5% today. Robinhood is still down 9.02 valuation. It's just gone green. McDonald's is up 0.41. Coca-Cola is up as well 0.48. Paul B, so have a nice weekend, you too. Hi Robbie, good evening, says Paddy and Alicia. Wonderful. I just received the limited edition Day Trade anniversary mug. Yay! So send it in. Send a picture in via Discord, please, and you will be added to this screen here. Here it comes. You'll be added to this screen here. There you go. See all the new pictures around the top? You'll be added to this. It's replacing the old pictures. All right. There you go. You'll be added to the top of this and the bottom of these here. So there you go. We're replacing and updating our cup owners. There you go. Very, very good. In talking of drinks, cheers, everybody. All right. That's better. Okay. Let's go through the stocks again right now and see where we are. Johnson & Johnson is going back up again. Google. Is that a whiskey? No, it's actually orange juice, soda water, or tonic water. Tonic water, orange juice, and grapefruit juice with some ice. Absolutely lovely. It's my little taste of the tropical fruits. Microsoft is down 0.33 but heading up. Meta is heading up. I bought the dip this morning. Think we are approaching the bottom now of Meta. Some people are doing analysis on this and think it's going to 4x. I don't see it 4xing, but I bought it because I expect it to go up by any amount. So there you go. I'm happy with any amount, but it apparently could 4x. That sounds like a lovely drink. I'll give it a try. So orange juice, tonic water, and grapefruit juice. Yeah, it's very nice. Cheers, Martyn. Cheers, Paddy. Thank you very much indeed. My E-Trade app is down. Darn it. I'm sorry about that. That's what you don't want in the last 9 minutes of a week, isn't it? Anyway, SoFi, IonQ, PayPal still down 2%. Rolls-Royce up 2.8. Barcoding again. Walmart. I've actually got all them. Going to make one with a dash of vodka. Oh, there you go. You're spicing it up. Leah would like that. My wife would like that. Target 148.53. Target is up 148.53 now, down 0.9%, 0.9 today. I'm down 1% overall. Tesco's has done well. I'm up 1%, and I've got good dividends on Tesco's. Canoe, still down 22%. On is getting better and better. I'm up 3% on it now. Tilray Brands, still down 20%. I'm not buying it down here. I've got enough invested in it. Ginkgo Bioworks, I'm up 0.9. I'm still holding it. Enphase Energy, is orange juice up or down today? Is orange juice up or down? I don't know. Well, if it falls off a tree, I guess it comes down, and if you drink it up, it goes up. I can't think of anything to say about that. Bitcoin SV is down 1.76, and Bitcoin BTC is down 0.64. And last but not least, Ethereum is down 0.64. Yes, in effect, sounds good. Nice cocktail, yes. NRSN has been a solid day, onwards and up. Right, I've not even looked at it. NRSN. One of my new positions. Robbie Cooper said get into it. NRSN. Let's have a look. Open in a new tab. Don't know why I'm reading that out to you. I do that from time to time. NRSN. I have this in my portfolio now. I'm still down 22% though. I'm out of the pocket by 118 bucks. Thanks to Robbie Cooper. So we're down at the moment. Trading down there at the moment, and that's fine. I'm leaving it, hoping it will go back up again, of course, but I'm not adding to the position because I haven't yet done my own analysis on the stock. I bought it out of recommendation from Robbie, and that's fine. That's my decision. So I have no problem with it being down, but I'm going to leave it for now. I'm not going to pick up any more, and we'll see how it goes. Don't worry, has so much potential. Yeah, I'm not worried. I'm not worried at all, because I know where you live, and I can come round and have a word. I know where everybody lives. Behind my camera lens. If I punch my camera lens really hard, you'll feel it, right? Everybody will. Virgin Orbit is trying to push back up again. I'm up 1.86. I bought some more on the dips. I bought yesterday on the 14% dip, and I'm happy with that. Tesla is proving quite strong now. It's been up now for a few days, and I like it. It's up nearly 13% now on the week, doing much, much better. Much, much better. All right? Aha, look behind me to see if you were peeking through my window. Oh, man. There we go. So the overall portfolio is rising into the close. We've got just a few minutes to go before the bell goes. It's a very short show today. We are going to end on the bell. So if you've just tuned in, we've got very low likes today. If you want to smash the like button, what it does if you like the video, it suggests to YouTube this video. By liking the video really helps, and it puts the video out to more people. And then more people come on, our cash prizes get bigger. We have more experts to talk with, more people can call in, and it's great. Ali Tisro called in earlier. I noticed Ali Tisro came into the Discord lounge. He's not there now, but the Discord lounge is open. If anybody wants to call in, you can call in. All right. Okay. Well, we're going to wrap up the show right now. We've got Day Trader of the Day in a few moments. We're going to be ringing the bell. This is my thoughts. This is my thoughts that we will have green in the after hours. I think this is proving quite strong. It's not a sell-off Friday at all. On the live, look, just in the last few minutes, the portfolio's dropped a little bit. Let's have a little look. Let's have a little look, but I think the after hours will be green. Looking at it right now, I think The after hours are going to be green. Yeah. I'm going to ask you now and see if you agree with me. We'll do a poll. Remember, members can do polls. Okay. In the after hours, red or green? Okay, in the after hours, red or green? Do you think it will go red or green in the after hours? All right, red or green? I think we're going to go into the after hours green. That's what I think. There you go. Let's have a look. Let's see what you think this afternoon. Very, very interesting. Remember, if you want your own poll and you're a member, you can have your own poll. If you want a video made on a certain stock, I will make it. These are the perks and benefits of being a member. There are many, many perks, of course. That's just a few. So we are still picking up. End phase energy is still going up. Ginkgo. What's red or green? Lucid. Let's have a look. Lucid is up 0.96 today, $20. And it's still heading up, as is Rivian. I'm at 1.77. We've also got Day Trader of the Day in a few moments' time as well. Day Trader of the Day in a few minutes, and we'll see who has won the position today. I want to thank everybody over there on TikTok. Thank you so much indeed for following me on TikTok. We need 20,000 followers now on TikTok. Please be wary of the scammers on TikTok pretending to be me. You know they're not me because they spell my name wrong. That's the first thing. And secondly, they're never live. Thirdly, they always they've got no views on their videos. And they might have 20,000 followers because what they've done, they've followed thousands of people, then they unfollow them just to get follow for follow. They've got no views on their videos. And also, they always message you, and I never message anyone. And they're always trying to sell you some scammy crypto coin. I never do that. What I do is just give you free money all the time when you join me on YouTube. youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Links in the profile. And I'm always live. All right? It's like 10 hours a day I'm live. They're never live. So be very, very wary. I have over 100 people saying they're Martyn Lucas on TikTok, and I've asked TikTok to sort it out, and they don't. It's true. I got free money. There it is. Uzi Mackie. Uzi Mackie got free money today. Uzi Mackie got $10. He's in the chat right now. There you are. See that guy there on the screen? Look. Uzi Mackie. This guy today is on YouTube, and he got $10 today in cash, sent to his Cash App today for free. Didn't cost him anything. He was just in the channel and he won. So we give money away all the time. So anyway, like I said, guys, after I went off air this morning, I had loads of give me free money stuff and lazy people doing nothing about it. Still getting loads of that. Seems to be the way of the world. Anyway, idiots. Don't even bother anymore. It's true, I got free money, Uzi said. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Okay, we got just 7 minutes to go. We're going to wrap up the show. Them relaxants wore off yet? No, they are... The muscle hasn't really relaxed, actually. I'm struggling a little bit with it at the moment. That's why I keep shuffling around in my chair. I'm looking forward to taking a break. Yeah, it's a little bit uncomfortable at the moment, and that's why I'm going to end the show bang on 3 o'clock. And but I am feeling a bit drowsy, like that. Yeah, I am feeling a bit like that. All right. Just checking a few things right now. Let's have a quick look. Now, this is the last time I'll speak to you now before Monday. So this is your very last chance to be able... A nice massage would be good. Yes, indeed. This is your last chance to be in the cash prize draw for Friday. And in the newsletter this Sunday, we have got 2 cash prize draws. One for $100 and one for $100. is in the newsletter coming out on Sunday. So if you've not yet got it, here is your last chance to get it. And I will tell you, there are 12 of you who have not yet verified your email. There is the email. There is the verification. And this is the email you need to search for in your newsletter, in your inboxes. Look in the junk as well. It sometimes goes in there. There it is, thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. All right? Okay. Let's have a look. Health is your wealth. Hope you're feeling better. Absolutely. Here he is. Nudge it, budget, move it. Alex Hunt. Do you have a nice holiday? Thanks for all the videos you sent in to us. Appreciate it very much indeed. Really, really fun. Did we upset anybody on the beach? That was fun, that was. Thanks for having us involved with you. Really appreciate it. Evening, all members and non-members alike. Always love how friendly everyone is. Absolutely. We are the friendliest, loveliest channel on YouTube. Greatest channel in the world. I just drank a beer and got 20 times out of it what I put in. Just like becoming a member of the Day Trader. Wow, look at all the follows on TikTok today. Absolutely amazing. So would you, yeah, if you want, it's your last chance. We're giving away $100 and $10, and we have a newsletter which has the $100 cash giveaway in it and the $10 cash giveaway in it. If you want to be on that, you've got about 5 minutes before I close the show, and I'll give you the link on YouTube. It's free to enter, free for all. You have to be on YouTube though. youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Links are in the profile here. Okay. Let's get ready to finish now. Afternoon, folks, from scorching Mexico. Rob McLean is here. He made it all the way to Mexico. Right, look, here we go. Who's Rob McLean? Who's Rob McLean? Here he is. Rob, here you are, look, on the screen. Look, can you see yourself? You are there. There you are. And there you are. Boom, boom, boom. See? Look there. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. There. I got two of you. One with your telly. There you go. There's Rob McLean. So you can see him. Do you want to hear him as well? He's in Mexico having a holiday. Do you want to hear him as well? You missed a good show this morning, but of course you'll go, no, I didn't. I was on the beach having a nice time in Mexico. All right, so if you want to hear him right now, here's Rob McLean. Rob McLean is in the house.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it. There we go. Yay. See it? There you go. You're on the screen. Told you I'd put you on. We've got this one here. This one here is Mike, and we're getting everybody else to send their mugs in as well now. So as they come in, they replace the old pictures. That's what we're doing. Hi, folks. I'm Crispy. Lovely stuff. Rob McLean's having a nice time. There you go. You're live on the telly, and we love it. All right. Okay. Let's get back to the trades right now. We've got 2 minutes to go before the bell goes, and we are going to ring the bell for the last time this week. So it's your last chance to get the newsletter, otherwise you'll miss out for next week's cash prize giveaway on Sunday, 2 p.m. GMT, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern. It comes out. Right. Let's ring the bell. Are you ready? It's time to ring the bell. Here we go. We're getting ready to ring the bell right now. We've got 2 minutes to go. 13 likes, 24 watching. Very slow on likes today. I've noticed last couple of days it's been a bit quiet. But that's the way it goes sometimes. Okay, let's get ready. Okay, we're coming down to the last minute of the hour. We've got Day Trader of the day, and then we're going to end up, and I'm going to get off. I hope you all got your newsletter for Monday. For Sunday. This will be a great weekend indeed. Oh, I'm looking forward to it. Crispy McLean, Pickle Picker. Rob McLean. All right, here we go. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go now. Let's get it going. Are you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and we're off. 1 minute to go before the bell goes. I said we'll have a green in the after hours. You guys think it'll be red. Well, you were wrong yesterday. You were wrong this morning. How many more times are you going to get this wrong before you know that I know exactly what's happening? I can read the future. Why do you always disagree with me?
Gotta go. Hope you feel better. Thank you, Mike. Thanks, Mike. Have a lovely, lovely weekend. Look forward. Enjoy the newsletter on Sunday. Make sure you watch the video and the $100 one. And then I'll see you back on Monday morning. All right. 20 seconds to go. Whoop, chicky, 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 yoop, ba, ba. I said green in the after hours. Everybody else is saying no, red. 67%. Well, let's see if I'm right again. Here we go. Ring the bell. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. The bell has now gone. And are we going to be red in the after hours? I said green. Most of you have said red. Let's see who is right. I think I'm going to be right. You think you're going to be right. Well, one of us is going to be right. Here we go. All right, let's go into the stocks right now and then do day trader of the day. Here we go. Neurosense. Vanguard S&P is down 0.04, but it's gone green in the after hours. Told you. Virgin Galactic is gone green in the after hours. I'm right again. 0.51 in the after hours. Tesla is down very slightly in the after hours. Rivian is up in the after hours. Lucid is down very slightly in the after hours. Polestar is up in the after hours. Arrival is flat on the after hours. Amazon's been down all day. So let's go to our main portfolio. That's probably the best way of measuring it. Let's go live. Let's refresh that screen because that's not correct. Hey Rob, welcome to the show. Pickle picker. If pickle picked a pepper pickle, you know what I mean. I'm not doing that again. Not when I've had muscle relaxants, I ain't. All right. Okay. Do day trader of the day. Day trader of the day. We're going up now in the after hours. So here we go. I am up 1.33%. There you go. Up 1.33%. Let's get everyone's scores on the doors right now. We're coming up in the after hours. Look, see? We're coming up in the after hours. Bouncing up quite a bit now. Yep. We are green in the after hours. There you go. Green in the after hours. Okay, let's get the scores on the doors. All right, my score is up 1.33. Dexter Sickles is up 0.93. Robbie Cooper goes into the lead with a handsome 4.68. 4.68. That's a great score. 4.68. Robbie Cooper. Very, very nice indeed. Have we got any advances on 4.68? Any advances on 4.68? Anybody? Have we got any advances on 4.68? 20 seconds to go. Looks like Robbie Cooper could be our winner. Virgin Galactic is now going up a bit more, 0.14. The overall portfolio is moving up in the after hours. Neurosense is moving up. Vanguard S&P is flat in the after hours. Virgin is going up quite steeply in the after hours. There we go. All right. There we go. Virgin Orbit is going up in the after hours as well. Returning as well. Tesla is down very slightly in the after hours. It looks like Robbie Cooper. Good vibes. Hey, Alan Stanstiban. Alan Stanstiban. That's a new face. Not seen you before. Lydia is back. We've not seen Lydia for a while. Hey, guys. You missed our cash giveaway this morning, but you've come in at just the right moment because I'm just about to end the show. And we have two cash giveaways, a $100 cash giveaway and $10 cash giveaway. And you've come in at the very last moment. Oh, and Gerson Adden as well. Gerson Adden, 3 of you who have just come in at the very last moment. Would you like to be in our $100 cash giveaway. Brick Mark is here as well, right at the last second. I sold 3,000 shares of Space, so I have some cash reserves to buy any dip. Still in that. Do you know what? That's exactly right. That's what I was suggesting. Rob Brennan, take some money off the top. Good idea. It's going to go back up again, but have some money to buy some more dips. Exactly. I think you've done it spot on. Because at the end of the day, you've made some real money guaranteed in your pocket, plus you're in for future gains. I mean, that makes sense to me. That's what I'll be doing. I won't be holding mine forever and ever and ever. When it goes up to $30, $40, I'll take some money off the top. You're damn right I will. Because it will go back down again after the flights. It does that. It does that. So that's what I'll be doing. Anyway, okay, we're going to end the show there. So we've got Alan Stanstiban. We've got, Santistiban, I beg your pardon. We've got Lydia. We've got Gerson. And Brickmark come right in at the end. Now, you see Rob Brennan here. Rob Brennan has sponsored one of our cash giveaways. We have a $100 cash giveaway, and we have the usual $4 giveaways as well. Sorry, not $4, $10. So, on every Sunday, we send out a mailer, a newsletter. We don't spam you. We don't give you any rubbish. It's something you have to sign up for. You can unsubscribe at any point. It's free. And it'll give you 2 links. One for next Friday's cash giveaway. We did one this morning. It's the only way you'll get to know what the video is. Click on it and you can win money. Last time went up to $55 to $60. No. Yeah, correct. I think it went even higher, about $70. But yeah, it's going to go to 100. I'm no doubt about it. But anyway, so here we go. If you want to, we're going to end the show right now. So just as you've come in right at the end, here is our free weekly newsletter. It comes out on Sundays at 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, and 2 p.m. GMT. There it is in the chat right now. It's my usual button, martynlucas.com/links. Okay, you will see this page here. This page here, you can choose which newsletter you want. Martyn Lucas or the Day Trader. Martyn Lucas is the music. Day Trader is this show. There it is. You put your email in, nothing more. I don't want your name, your phone number, your date of birth, your address, nothing. Just your email address. And then you need to click on the verification email, which you get in your inbox. Now, some people say it goes into spam. So if it does, the email you're looking for is in the About section of this video, and it is thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. I've given it to you in the chat. Search for that. There you go. And you'll get the weekly newsletter. And every week in our weekly newsletter, which goes out on Sunday, is the cash prize draw for the following Friday. And now we have 2. Every week we have the $10 one. And in August the 4th, we have a special one for the after hours earnings report for Virgin Galactic. We're giving away a $100 prize during this show. So you'll get the link. You will know what to watch. You will know what to leave. And all the rules are explained. And it's free. Okay. And I will show you now how many people have done it. This is how many people have done it. 79 people have signed up for the newsletter, but only 65 have verified the email, and only 65 will receive it. If I refresh it on the screen, I will tell you if that's gone up right now. 79 and 65. I refreshed it 10 minutes ago. Oh, there we go. 80 and 66. There we go. Someone has verified it and done the job properly. There you go. Congratulations. Now then, we're going to end the show right now. I'm proud to say we've got funded. I'm going to the Spaceport in October. We're going to have a get-together. We're going to have a day trader convention on the beach at the pub. You could be there with me. The campaign has been funded. It's now got to overfund. It's not the full cost of the project. It's costing me $5,000 to do it, but I only asked for $500 because I'm putting all the rest of the money of it myself with family and friends. But hopefully we'll overfund. And there it is. I booked my flight to the UK in October. So if you want to back the project and be in the film, be at the party, be at the convention, be involved in the whole making of the movie, here is the Kickstarter link in the chat right now. There it is. Do that and you can be with me in October. More details to follow to give you the precise date. If you love all this and you want to get many, many more perks and benefits and so on and so forth, here is the Here is the invitation to become a member or upgrade your membership should you wish me to promote you on YouTube and give you free 20-minute fundraiser concerts. We've raised over $1 million in this channel for our members in this TV studio here at the piano right there. And you can have that. All right. And last but not least, if you want the Discord, here is the Discord link. And you can talk to all our traders over the weekend, get information, and share what you're investing in. All right. That's it. Can I wear a face mask with you in the movie? Robbie Cooper. No, because you've not even backed it yet. You got to back it to be in the movie. If you don't back the project, you can't be in it unless you've already backed it, and I do apologize if you have. Anyway, there you go. I'll call in now. Rob Brennan, I would love you to call in. Actually, what I'd like to do, Rob, because you've got information about SPCE, done some technical analysis, I would like you to call in. Beforehand so I can make a promotion video with you calling in. We had Paul B called in earlier to the show. Just go into Discord. You can do it now if you want to. Call in and... in fact, don't do it now because we're going to end the show. But call in beforehand. I'll record it and we'll use it as a promotional video to promote the after hours. Is SPCE red and green in the after hours? It's green. I said we would have green in the after hours. Most people said red. They've changed their mind now because, or they waited to the after hours. But I'll end the poll now. I said to you we'd have a green after hours, and we did. Quite decently as well. There you go. We're at 1.76. All right. Did we do day trader of the day? We did, didn't we? Robbie Cooper, I'm going to back it after payday. Oh, nice one, Robbie. Then yes, you can be in the film. Did we just do day trade of the day? We did, didn't we? Yes, we did. Alan would have won, but he came in too late, 6.72. Right, that's it from me. Hopefully you've all got the email now. You won't have another chance now after Sunday for the next one. So hopefully you've all got it and you'll all be in on the cash prize draw for Friday. That's it. Thank you very much indeed for being here. I'm going to get off. My back's hurting a little bit. So I'm going to get off and do our final thoughts. Another great week here on the Day Trader. This was the week that we got our Kickstarter funded in just 48 minutes. There's going to be a Day Trader convention on the beach in a pub. We haven't decided yet in Cornwall when I make the film from Virgin Orbit. Very, very exciting. We became an affiliate on Twitch. Was great. We've gained more subscribers. We've got record numbers now. Absolutely fantastic. We've got some big numbers now coming in. Our old portfolio now has been up for nearly a month now. Nearly a month we've been up. We're just 2% down on the month. We've had a recovery over the last 3 weeks. It's been absolutely fantastic. Everything's looking a lot better. That's it from me. Look forward to the newsletter on Sunday. Don't forget to search for your email and get it and verify it. Otherwise, I'll see you back on Monday. There may be some information coming out over the weekend as well, so keep your eye out for that. But that's it. See you all back on Monday. Thank you ever so much indeed. Have a lovely weekend. See you all next week. I hope I get better too. I hope so, Dexter Sickles. I hope so too. That's it from me. Thank you ever so much this week to Rob Brennan, who's done a huge donation to our well, not donation, it's not a charity, but a huge support to our business, to Virgin Orbit Kickstarter, and all the tips on the channel, and of course also for the sponsoring the cash prize for the earnings report as well. Thank you, Rob Brennan. All right, that's it from me. Take care of yourselves and each other.